Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Wednesday, the 11th of December. This is our midweek update. Link in description below if you want to join us. Let's talk about today. We've had a big time bullish day here in the stock market. The SPY is just shy of the all-time high. You had a gap up on a CPI number that was in line. And I mean by in line, it was higher than last month. It shows that inflation is still not dead, but the market's like good enough, and that's all we care about. So up we go. And what you have here is yesterday we felt like market might be getting a little heavy, right? Everything felt heavy. It felt tired. So much for that. You have a big gap up. You trapped everybody short and you squeezing the living crap out of them. Volume on the indexes themselves, it's not there. Volume in the market remains good. Yep, Trump rings the opening bell tomorrow, so that's going to be something. We have PPI tomorrow morning as well. The Qs retook the lead today. Look at the size of this gap and go, new all-time highs. The IWM can't break that downtrend yet. The Dow remains weak. The financials remain out of play. Energy remains out of play. And biotech remains out of play. The semis, are we trying to wake up or are we just moving with the markets today? This is something we're watching carefully here in our room. We're watching to see if we can get going. Why? Well, because Avgo came out today and has had a nice move on that announcement. They're making a chip with Apple. NVIDIA, a nice bounce back here, but it has to take out that 21-day, which is just ahead, sitting here right at 140.50. AMD, an oversold bounce day. We'll see if it can take back yesterday's high. That would be a good sign for it. So we'll see. Can some of these names wake up? What did we trade today? Tesla, new all-time highs. Wasn't easy today. Some days like this, you just want to scream at your screen. I made money, nice money on Tesla. I took losses on Tesla along the way. Here's your open. Looked like we were going to go. Nope, we dipped all the way back down, said, no, we don't want to go. Then we came back, dipped around, went up, down. A lot of back and forth here. Did not get the big move, but here we are at an all-time high of 422.22. It looks good. We traded Google. We had a huge trade on Google today. New all-time high here at 195. We traded Meta today. Why? Because the chart said to. Meta, new all-time high. Amazon, new all-time high. I didn't trade Apple today, but new all-time high there as well. However, you have a big reversal topping candle here on Apple. So maybe it wants to come down and hit the 8-day. We'll see. Amazon, after a topping candle, came back up, put a new all-time high in. Microsoft, up nicely, not an all-time high, but looking good. Netflix, new all-time high. So your big tech names are leading us again, and that's where all the flow is going into. And we had flow today. I mean, look at these alerts I was calling out today on your big names, NVIDIA, Amazon, Tesla, Google, Meta. Huge amount of alerts on this. You don't see this very often, guys. This is the type of stuff when I'm calling out stuff like this, it leads to better action. Should we move tomorrow? We have PPI at 8:30. You got to think it's to be a good number. Trump's ringing the opening bell. I don't think he'd be there if he was worried. So we'll see what we get tomorrow. With that said, 2 days left in this week. Friday, we have the big rebalance. So, we're going to get new names coming in and out of the NASDAQ, and, we have the big rebalance there on the close. So that could be a little wide. So with that said, I hope you're all doing well. Link in the description if you want to join us. Thanks for listening, and make sure you subscribe. Catch you guys later.